MOOGE plastic conveyor belts have durability, flexibility, lightweight, easier to install and handle. Plastic crusher machine, also known as a plastic shredder or plastic granulator, is equipment used to reduce the size of plastic waste, making waste plastic easier to handle, transport, and recycle. After crushing machine, waste film by plastic friction loader machine loading. Low-speed loader, loose film, pre-washing the material. First plastic flood washing tank. By washing tank roller, agitation plastic film flakes. Lower densities float on the water, higher densities sink to the bottom tank. Screw loader used for transporting materials to next process. Hot washing remove contaminants such as dirt, debris, labels, and residual product from the plastic materials. By effectively removing contaminants, help improve the purity and value of recycled plastics. High-speed plastic friction machine. After the friction washing process, the plastic materials are typically subjected to centrifugal force to separate them from the water and contaminants. Silicone plastic float washing tank washing plastic again. Plastics with lower densities float on the surface of the water, while plastics with higher densities sink to the bottom of the tank. Plastic deodering machine is a device used to remove excess water for film. The machine typically works by applying pressure or centrifugal force to squeeze out the water from the plastic. Hot air dryer is a type of equipment used to remove moisture from plastic materials by circulating hot air around them. This process helps to reduce the moisture content of the plastic.